So here is our final project. So we created a 3x3 matrix as a chessboard and insert the computer as our opponent. We use a string 0 to 8 at each position on the chessboard. The game will ask us enter 0 to 8 to place your tic-tac-toe as shown. When we insert any number from 0 to 8, our chess will be placed on that number's position. However, on the next round, the computer will insert his own number and his chess will be shown as O on the chessboard. You can see right here. Its O means the computer's move and the X means the user's move. So on the next round, we can insert the same number as we put before. Because that position is already taken, we can put the second chess on anywhere except those already shown on the chessboard. Basically, the goal of the game is to get three numbers in a row, like three chesses in a row. So we can use our logic and experience to put our chess and win before the computer. If we win, the game will show us you win. If the computer wins, the game will show that you lose. And if neither one wins, the game will return game is a tie. So it's a basically Chinese game. We was inspired by the traditional Chinese game, and we tried to make a huge map. But since it was harder in Python, so we only create a 3x3 matrix. So let me explain some specific code right here. So you can see right here, we first set up the map. This one is pretty important since we have to delete the actual space of the map. Then we have to create another opponent, which is computer. So we decide to go first. So we decide who goes first for the first chess. Who goes first is randomly. So we said right here, randomly 0, 1. So 1 is, it means that check. It means that check 1 x equal to 1 is user's turn. After we set up the map and the users and the opponents, we think about how can we move the chess. So we define the make move right here, make move LXY and LY equal to X. Besides, we have to check if there's a space. So right here, if there's a space, it's like XY equals to empty. That means there's a space, right? And we set another input named ARAW input. You can see right here. It's a Boolean type to estimate. One put one number from 0 to 8, make move LX integer in. That means that the chess X go to the position where we put. Next, for the next step, we copy the same step like we said before. However, from computer move, just a little bit different from user's move. For X in range 0 to 9, you can see right here, we got three commons. The first one is checkboard copy for winner moves and win. Second one is checkboard copy for losing move and blocks. And the final one is make random moves. These three are super important because this one means that when the computer moves, how it can move. This one means when the computer is losing, how it moves. This one is just randomly. And at the end, we have to create some end game scenarios. Basically, just like how can we show that someone wins. So you see right here, we define the game is tie. The second one, we define someone wins. At the end, we can just print it, like print you move, you win, you lose, or game is tie. So basically, those are our final project, and I hope you enjoy the game.